Welcome back to the Hostinger Coupon Code channel, the only place you need to be if you are serious about getting the best deal on Hostinger hosting. You've probably already done your research, scoured the internet, and maybe even found a coupon code that gives you 10% off. But here's the truth, that's simply not good enough when a 20% discount is sitting right here waiting for you. I've made it incredibly easy for you to grab this deal. The coupon link I provided in the description automatically applies a 20% discount the moment you land on Hostinger's website. No codes to type, no hoops to jump through. It works across every country, supports all local currencies, and is fully available in your native language. So the experience is completely seamless wherever you are in the world. Let me walk you through exactly how it works. After clicking my link, you'll arrive on Hostinger's official website. Head over to the products and services section in the navbar and you'll find their complete lineup: web hosting, cloud hosting, website builder, and business email. For this video, I am demonstrating with their VPS hosting plans. Hostinger offers 4 VPS tiers: KVM1, KVM2, KVM4, and KVM8. I went ahead and selected the KVM2 plan, and boom, the 20% discount was already applied automatically at checkout without me doing a single extra thing. Quick pro tip: use a fresh email address that's never been linked to a Hostinger account before to make sure the discount applies smoothly. Trust me, it makes a difference. If this saved you money today, show some love by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. There are plenty more deals coming your way.